Well, hello, and welcome to the Symbian Tech repairs, I guess. Because, yeah, I technically got a customer to fix a DS Lite. It came with Plants vs. Zombies inside, so cool. Give him back the game. Not like I ordered the DSIs and kept the games from Japan. That's because I bought them. I didn't buy this. I need to fix it, and the customer needs to pay. Because the DSI doesn't have the battery cover because the customer kept it. So I guess you prove fun. Need to do the disassembly. The screwdriver and the screwdriver bit. The board in this one is cooked, so we're just gonna swap that board from my Lime and Y DSI. I'm gonna insert this spare board that has a not functioning DS game slot into this. We put these upside down so they don't stick to crap. And screw, and screw. I'm sorry, Lestring, for spamming random garbage to your Discord server, because he has the keyboard. And here's the enter key. I will delete them afterwards. 0, 0, 0, 0 means crap. Sorry. That's my bad. Being able to just get in by doing this. Ooh, it's kind of dirty in there. I'm gonna put this aside temporarily. Now what I actually want to test is this, the network board. Since the DS doesn't turn on without the network board. And if it is the network board, it's pretty good news for us. Because I wouldn't have to deal with the springs of the shoulder buttons, because they are a pain in the ass to remove. Let's try to turn it on. What? It was just the network board. Issue fixed. Alright, now we can actually reassemble this tiny nugget is a crap. Power slider is all the way down, and the rolling slider is also all the way down. Seal it back. Nice. Insert the battery. Insert the game. Actually, you can just screw in this tiny stupid screw in first. Actually, we just can screw all the screws in first. Give it a nice test. Actually, just screw all the screws and whatever. Now I switched to voiceover mode due to my brother coming home and watching TikTok on like speaker, not using its earbuds. But here I reassembled it mostly. Well, screw the screws in basically. That's all. And set it up. And yeah, it really took me that long to notice that the lighting was super bright. But don't worry, it gets worse again. Because of course. And here I tested the DS thoroughly. I tested every single function: touch, A, B, X, Y, D-pad, start, select, touchscreen, GBA slot works. And yes, it does. And yeah, I use Super Mario 64 to test the buttons in the touchscreen because of the drawing mode on the title screen, which is pretty nice, and all the buttons in the game. And I use Mario Party DS for the microphone. Unless it's a DSi, then I use the built-in settings microphone test. And also wireless with Mario 64 DS. Anyway, we tested all the features in the game. It all works flawlessly. And I also gave him a free white stylus, so because I had way too many space. So yeah. Guess hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to. I know, pressure. And thanks for watching, and goodbye.